Atal Innovation Mission was started by the Government of India in 2016 to create near-direct innovators. Atal Innovation Mission aims at empowering youth with 21st century skills like creativity, innovation, critical thinking, and social and cross-cultural collaboration. AIM conducts flagship programs and competitions throughout the year. ATL Marathon is one such opportunity, and here we are from the group Future Innovators, participating in the ATL Marathon and working on a project about ATL. I am Ivy Shekar.
I am Charan.
Our problem statement is to innovate to ensure access to education for all and impactful learning in children. Atal Tinkering Labs have been established in more than 8,700 schools across our country. These labs are funded by the Government of India to prepare young children in school to develop creative and effective solutions for problems existing in their surroundings. ATL labs have facilities to do research, develop ideas, and make prototypes. ATL labs have everything from high-tech 3D printers to simple mechanical tools. ATL lab is a place where children can experiment with learn, explore and understand various scientific ideas through hands-on methods. This way of learning is called tinkering, and ATL labs are the best place to learn by tinkering. Out of 1.5 million schools in India, so far only less than 1% have utilized ATL labs. We have been enjoying using ATL lab for past many years, and we want other children also make use of ATL labs and become innovators. We surveyed around 20 students in grades 7, 8 and 9 in nearby government school. According to the survey results, 85% of students were unaware of ATL Tinkering Lab. Making projects and models sparked the interest of every student. So we have come up with a solution for students of non-ATL schools to enjoy the privilege of using ATL labs.
Our output is an app that will help non-ATL students to schedule a lab session and a mentor in a nearby location, having the facility of ATL lab. This app will help non-ATL students reach ATL students and mentor share knowledge and clarify doubts among themselves. We use the MIT app inventor to create this app, file-based application to save data files. The features of the app are saving data files, file-based list picker, date picker, and list view, and we use many components.
The function of this app is that when non-ATL students submit their personal information, they get a list of ATL lab facility schools.
The program and coding were created by Ivy Shekar. Aditi Vishwanath completed the documentation, while Charanar conducted the project's research. Our project journey was great. We picked up a lot of new skills like coding, data storage, and creating apps. We gained a lot of knowledge, and our group worked well together to create the software and conduct the research.
Thank you.